Hi friends, welcome to tootscorner.com videos. Is Psyllium Husk good for you? Psyllium or spigula is a form of fiber that extracts from the husk of Plantago ovato plant seeds and is commonly used as a laxative, which is beneficial for heart and the pancreas. It is helpful for those suffering from irritable bowel movement and Crohn's disease. Moreover, it is prebiotic that helps in the growth of healthy probiotics in your gut. It further boosts immunity, reduces inflammation, fights infection, and maintains healthy cells and tissues. Benefits: intake of Psyllium Husk helps fight with chronic infections and soften the stool, providing you are drinking lots of water. It is also beneficial for obese people to fight against obesity and helps in lowering cholesterol. Moreover, it is good to lower the risk of heart diseases, blood pressure, and strengthening the heart muscles. It is suitable for people with diabetes as it helps in lowering the blood sugar level and loses weight. The correct dosage of Psyllium. It does not decide universally about the correct amount of Psyllium husk as it depends on the product you are using and the purpose you are applying for. You may include 1 to 3 times a day with a glass of water. For example, a person with diabetes may intake the 5 grams of Psyllium twice a day, whereas a 7.9 grams is sufficient